Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara, and if you don't know me, I do videos about luxury fashion and vintage fashion. So if you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss what is coming next. So let's do it. I am super happy to be back with you because I have another unboxing to do with you. Normally I always try to do a new unboxing, vintage, new, vintage, new, vintage, but I think I've been doing new and no vintage. But just believe me, I have so many stuff to show you. It's just new things are coming to my life, and I'm just, you know, letting my heart open to accept that 2019 been a nice new handbags year. So make sure you watched my video about this beautiful baby chain bag from Balenciaga. This is my newest baby, and believe me or not, the next video is gonna be the sister of this one, because yes, Babsy did it again, and I just purchased another Balenciaga bag, but don't tell them. So in today's video, I'm gonna reveal to you my last purchase from Gucci. Yeah, I love this brand. I really love Gucci. Do you love Gucci? Do you love Gucci? Tell me you love Gucci, because you cannot not love Gucci. Psycho. So I bought this one with the Balenciaga one, and I bought it on the Swiss website myprivé.ch. They do luxury private sales, and you can always find bags with a little 10% off, 20%, it depends. And sometimes you even find bags on their website that are sold out on Net-a-Porter or My Teresa, etc, etc. So yeah, I'm happy. So this is the big baby, yeah. Let me show you because I can't wait. So, oops, let's open this. So I got it in the beautiful satin silk dust bag from Gucci. You will see that this bag is not like the Dionysus bag at all, because let me show you what I'm talking about. I purchased this little cuteness here. Let me show you and zoom in. Yes, this is a freaking transparent plastic Gucci bag. I know there's a lot of people who will just hate this bag, but I love it. When I saw it, I was like, okay, you pretty little nasty thing, you are made of plastic. You cost around 600 to 700 euros for plastic. Even my husband was like, this is plastic? This is plastic? Plastic. Yes, plastic. PVC, just in case. I don't know the chemistry thing for plastic, but it's plastic. And he was like, this is plastic. And I was like, yeah, this is plastic. And I was like, okay, I will send it back because it's plastic. And plastic is really expensive because it's plastic. But my heart was like, but it's so cute. Like, look at this baby little plastic transparent. Look at me through the bag. This, you know, plastic with this kind of baby pink strap leather detail. I was like, okay, I had 14 days to think about it. I was like, you know what, I will keep the plastic bag because I will love it during the summertime. And I don't know, when I look at this bag, I have the feeling I took it from a museum. I've been at the Florence Gucci Museum and I just have the feeling that I got it from the museum, because for me this is a collector bag. This is so pretty, like look how cute it is. I'm sorry, but I don't know if I will have kids one day, but if I do, this is like one of the first bags I will give to my daughter if I have one, because it's so pretty. This is so cute, like come on. But I'm still, I mean, I'm not a mom yet, so this is my bag for the little girl who is still inside my heart. So you have a front pocket that works. You can really put stuff inside. I think you can have like a key pouch or your AirPods. Then, whoops, let me open. You have the main bag pocket, and you have this kind of key thing. You can put your keys in. And this is the Ophidia bag. This is the official name of it, the Ophidia bag. And yeah, Ophidia bag in plastico fabric material, pretty dope. So this is my latest purchase from Gucci. But yeah, what do you think about it? Do you think this is a great bag? Do you think this is stupid? What do you think? Tell me, I need to know. Please, do you want to be mean? Be honest with me. Tell me what you think about it, because I still have the feeling this wasn't a smart purchase. I didn't wear it yet, but yeah. Dígame si yo soy loca, si it was really bad purchase. Do you think it was worth it or not? But please, por favor, look at it before you be mean with this cuteness. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So if you like it, please don't forget to give me a like and to subscribe to my channel, because I have so many amazing bags to share with you that you will not believe your eyes. So thank you so much for your support, and gros bisous. I see you in my next video. Bye.